Hello, my name is Josh, and welcome to the Wonderlings. Today, we are gonna dance together.
Yeah.
This is Zoe, and she is going to dance with us.
Pay attention and do the moves as we do them. In the end, we are going to dance together.
Move 1. Move 2. Move 3. Move 4. Move 5. Move 6. Move 7. Move 8. Move 9. Move 10. Move 11.
Let's dance together.
Are you ready?
Yeah. Woo, Ramo. You got me. Yeah, yeah. Woo. Got my shoes on tight, ready, go. Pocket full of snacks and a pocket full of glow. 2-step to the front, then I bounce back fast. Spin around once, make that good move last. Clap, count to 3. Feel that bounce with me. One small hop, 2 big grins. Here we go again. Snack time bounce. Move your feet, let it all hang out. Snack time bounce. Big smiles up, we're jumping now. Snack time bounce. Hands go high, then we twirl around. Snack time bounce. Best little sound in town. Bubblegum cheeks, yeah, laughing through the day. Tiny drum roll when I stomp my way. Backyard race, little zoom, tick-tock, tiptoe. Everybody joins in and the whole crew knows. Clap, count to 3. Feel that bounce with me. One small hop, 2 big grins. Here we go again. Snack time bounce. Move your feet, let it all hang out. Snack time bounce. Big smiles up, we're jumping now. Snack time bounce. Hands go high, then we twirl around. Snack time bounce. Best little sound in town. Freeze for a second, then wiggle free. Point to the sky and say, that's me. Round and round, we don't slow down. bounce. Snack time bounce, snack time bounce. Move your feet, let it all hang out. Snack time bounce, snack time bounce. Big smiles up, we're jumping now. Snack time bounce, snack time. Hands go high, then we twirl around. Snack time bounce, snack time bounce. Best little sound in town.
Thanks for dancing with us.
Subscribe to the Wonderlings for more dance tutorials.